8 horns, 4 twigs.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
You control everything from your phone and devices?
My DSP.
Wow, that's pretty cool. It's like a Bluetooth system. Can I come in or?
Yeah, hold on, let me try to. You come in, I'm trying to.
Okay.
Nail it, it's froze.
Does it use internet?
No, it's regular, but it's froze.
Okay. This is a pretty fancy. Is this like, what kind of vehicle is this? In like
Chevy Malibu.
Chevy Malibu. You got a really big rims. Are they like 34s, 32s? Wow. Insane. Where are you from?
Liberty City, North Carolina.
North Carolina. Okay, so not too far. Did you do this install?
No, dude out of Norfolk, Virginia did it.
Okay.
Explicit audio.
Okay. Are you able to control like your speakers, your staging outside, your inside, your subs, your tweeters, your full stunt?
In here I can control with my phone.
That's pretty sweet there, man.
I can turn my tweeters down, I can turn my everything.
Depending on what you play, you can stage it. Okay, that's pretty sweet. So could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here for the video? Go ahead.
Call me Yelloboy. I'm from Liberty City, North Carolina. I got PRV 1610s, 8 horns, 4 12s, and I think 8 tweeters.
Wow. Who did all the speaker installs?
Explicit audio out of Virginia.
Okay. Very nice. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, very happy. Very happy.
What level subs are these?
I know they D2s. I forgot what they are, man.
Probably a 1500 to 2000.
Yeah, I think it's a 2000. But I think it's they're new. I done had them recomb 3 times.
Oh really? Okay. Where's the amplifiers all at?
Everything is, when I take the wall down in my trunk,
They're
everything's
hidden.
back there.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Everything's back there.
Everything's nice and safe and hidden with the lip.
Everything's back
And
there.
you know how much lithium or battery AGM you have?
I think I got a 90 amp C-Max, I think it is.
Wow. Alright.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Might have to reset your Bluetooth.
Yeah, I did it. I turned my doors down, so our doors won't kill us.
Okay.
Now watch this. See, now going to DSP. I turned it down too far.
So your DSP is turned down like maybe 3 or 4% on the speakers, and
The main gain. I got the main gain all the way down.
got it. So you have different channels you can control the input, output gain.
That's my doors. That's for this door.
Okay.
That's for that door.
Really? Wow.
Tweeters.
What DSP is this?
DS18.
Okay, DS18 Bluetooth. Got it. So you could be outside of your vehicle and still tune everything on your phone.
I got 2 different DSPs. I got one for the inside and one for my trunk.
Okay. Have you ever done any kind of SPL testing on it to see how loud it is outside or anything like that?
Not yet.
This screams is really clear. All right.
I got my doors down. Because now my doors are killers.
Yeah. You're good.
I got a deal to go to house. That little pussy got some power. Born broke, but I'ma die rich. Learning for a nigga counterfeit. I'm just vibing in the wrist card. Got the stick on the wrist card. Counting the bill, right the wrist card. Wanna fuck me, baby, pull her back the wrist card. I'm just vibing in the wrist card. Got the stick on the wrist card. Counting the bill, right the wrist card. Wanna fuck me, baby, pull her back the wrist card. Everything gon' be brand new. Call on Mangler, cause she real, you ain't poppin', nigga. All rap, people that shoot it out the side, rockin' it. to tell not do what your daddy did. I'm just vibing in the Ritz cars. Got the stick on the Ritz cars. Counted the bill right the Ritz cars. Wanna fuck me, baby, pull up at the Ritz cars. I'm just vibing in the Ritz cars. Got the stick on the Ritz cars. Counted the bill right the Ritz cars.
I see it, then I don't act like I'm blind. I'm confident it won't be one of mine. No emotions going live, so I tell the truth all the time. Ain't got no sympathy for no bitch. I admit, they don't rich, they don't lit. Jumping up on stages, I get too on the occasion. But I ain't really for the game. Oh, we make niggas shut they trap down. They see how I made it, I'm a reason they won't rap now. See me out in traffic, make a hater pull his head down. Niggas OG salute me, a stylist can't even style me. The robbers problem, nigga, me on my bin, I'll never get me. So yeah, you turn in my city, they try me, I get it cracked. Some of these still would happen if I never started rapping. My people, them steady trapping, and they still be getting active. I tell them to chill.
Alright. You think it's is it better with the doors open or closed for the
I'm gonna close my
subsystem
back
side?
door.
For the subsystem. Okay. You want me to shut this one? That way everything can breathe inside.
Yeah, because when I open my
Sub's
doors,
full.
it lets it out the back.
Yeah.
Like a TV demo. Know you tired of them lame. Hell no, you need a woman. So, she can see me in sleep. Don't be no damn ready. Be my damn chick. She wanna get in. She can't get her hell wet. She wanna freak. Tell her to the nail tip. They ain't cut. I don't even see them niggas. Cardiac. Look like a TV demo. Know you tired of them lame. Hell no, you need a woman. In the mirror, she can see me in. What they like is. When the top drop, I want them to see. Know that pussy water, I call it Lafitte. She want French tip, took her to the nail tip. They ain't cut like us, we don't even see them niggas. Took the cardi out the freezer, look like a TV demo. Know you tired of them lanes, babe, know you need one of them. Ass up, in the mirror, she can see me in.
Shooter, I'm my own shoe. All these eyes on my own shoe. Same bloggers in they own shoe. On the star, business, my Pick the right toe, fit the owner. Yes, it's safe to say, nigga, I spot your budget on it. Ran off on the floor twice. He started calling, I ain't calling back. He said he dissed me on his last album. There's nobody heard, nobody ran too. Say she want me to take the rug off. Told the people here when I want a bitch, knock it off. All the crib came with elevators. Old school paint the side.
louder. Yeah. It's letting it
Open up the back
breathe more
door.
with them open.
Open back door, all that goes out the back door.
Yeah, it is staged that side. But you did a good job, the builder and all. So shout out. Your name, man?
Yellowboy.
Yellowboy on Instagram, Facebook. Where you at?
Yellowboy9 on Instagram.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, appreciate it, buddy.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna open your door back up. You have a good day. I appreciate the time to meet you. Yellowboy. Yes, sir.